Hello, Medis Guardians. I hope you all are fine and enjoying a very safe and sound life. Here in my channel, I will try to make medical topics easy and interesting for your better understanding. So today we will talk about very interesting topic which is urea cycle. And many students find it very difficult to remember all steps of urea cycle. But I have made some mnemonics by which I have remembered this cycle. So, without wasting our time, let's get started. Urea cycle is also known as ornithine cycle or Krebs-Hansley cycle. Before talking about actual cycle, let's discuss some features and mnemonics to remember urea cycle steps and enzymes. So, what is urea cycle? The biochemical process in which urea is produced by ammonia and other compounds is called urea cycle. We know that different kind of animals use different kind of ways to remove toxic substances from body, and ammonia is a toxic substance which need much more dilution to be excreted mostly by aquatic animals because water is enough and available, but in those animals in which water is not available in that much amount to excrete ammonia directly, it is first converted into less toxic substances called urea, and then excreted. Less dilution is needed and water is also conserved in this way. So, what is location of urea cycle? It happens in liver cells called hepatocytes, and kidney plays final part for transportation and elimination. Now we see that these animals are called ureotelic animals. We know that ammonia produced in our body is a toxic substance and its need to be excreted, and urea cycle is the process by which this toxic ammonia is converted into urea, and urea can be excreted easily without extra water. So we can see that ammonia combined with carbon dioxide and aspartate or aspartic acid and gives byproduct as urea, and energy is comes from ATP molecule. Now we will see how steps of urea cycle take place, but first of all make mnemonic for all these steps to remember them easily. So first of all you need to remember intermediates of urea cycle and from one sentence like our all previous videos. So the sentence is ordinary car crashers are also furious after urination or U-turn. You can choose word urination or U-turn as you are easy. So we can see that red colored letters are intermediates of urea cycle. So let's see first word ordinary, and our red letters O are ornithine. So if we see the second word, it's car, and car for carbamyl phosphate. The next C of crasher shows citrulline and A for aspartate. The word also A for arginosuccinate. Now we will see the furious. Fu of furious shows fumarate, and A for after and A for arginine. Now U for urea. You can choose urination for urea or U-turn for urea. So, if we talk about their enzymes, just remember baby cry, which is ooh ah or a baby cry sound. So we can see C ooh ah means look baby cry. You can see ooh ah ah. So C for carbamyl phosphate synthase, O for ornithine transcarboamylase. The first A shows arginosuccinate synthase, while the second A shows arginosuccinase enzyme, and the last A shows arginase enzyme. So now let's talk about urea cycle. To draw, a part of urea cycle takes place in cytoplasm and the other part takes place in mitochondria. So let's suppose this part I have shown with the black margin line is in mitochondria, while the remaining page is cytoplasm. So we can see urea cycle actually begins in mitochondria, combination of carbon dioxide and ammonium ion. The carbon dioxide comes from bicarbonate ion and combined with ammonium ion and form carbamyl phosphate. Two ATP molecules are required in this process and the enzyme is carbamyl phosphate synthase 1. We have studied this in enzyme mnemonics. So, this reaction happens in mitochondria and ornithine is present in our cytoplasm. This ornithine combined with citrulline to form arginosuccinate. Make sure that only carbamyl phosphate and citrulline are present in mitochondria while all remaining process will be happen in cytoplasm. Combination of ornithine and citrulline to form arginosuccinate requires ATP molecule and the enzyme for ornithine to citrulline is ornithine transcarbamylase while conversion of citrulline into arginosuccinate is arginosuccinate synthase. Now we will see whole cycle we described outward transfer of citrulline from mitochondria to cytosol. I have told you that only citrulline and carbamyl phosphate happens in mitochondria while whole remaining urea cycle happens in the cytoplasm. So, one molecule of ATP combined with citrulline and aspartate to form arginosuccinate in the presence of argininosuccinate synthetase enzyme. Now arginosuccinate will convert into arginine in the presence of arginosuccinase enzyme and one molecule of fumarate will also be produced in this reaction. Now in the last step, we will see that this arginine in the presence of arginase enzyme will form ornithine and urea. So, we can see that this ornithine is utilized back into urea cycle but urea is water soluble compound and dissolved into blood and transported towards the kidneys to be excreted in form of urine. So, this is total about urea cycle. I hope with mnemonics of steps and enzymes it is very easy for you to remember urea cycle. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting medical stuff. So see you all in the next video. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you.